camping, and I'm super excited because I haven't been camping in Alaska, especially like not in the snow, in a fat minute. It's been in the 50s and sunny the last couple of days, so you can't just not go camping when it's nice in Alaska. We've already hiked 2 miles and we're almost to the camp spot. I think we're like less than half a mile away, and it's gonna be right on the water. I'm super excited because it was really windy earlier today, but I think that the wind has died down, but maybe I'm just wrong because we're in the trees. But I really want to fly the drone, so I'm crossing my fingers. I won't lie, but I was throwing a fit about having to hike because I was not excited about it and I was just in a bad mood. But I'm so glad that I just did it.
The things that I have pretty cool. How's it?
What happens if I break my ankle? Are you gonna carry me?
I'm gonna be like, oh, that's why you got hiking boots.
Should have worn your hiking boots.
To like worry about like, not those little fucking wires in my hoodie.
We just made it, and we made it in a little under 2 hours, and my watch said that we hiked about 3.2 miles, and it is very pretty. I have to show you. Like, this is the view. Devoured by bugs, so I'm gonna just put a bunch of layers on, even though it's not that chilly. But this is my backpack. I got it from Osprey. So this is my Arc'teryx. I wear it all the time. I like it a lot. And this jacket is from Kuyu. Josh got it for me to convince me to go hunting with him. Shoes are Hoka's, leggings Lululemon. This is my favorite water bottle ever. It's from Awala. I've tried the Stanley. I've tried the Brewmate. I've tried a lot of different things. So this has been my favorite so far. If I shut up, you can actually hear grouse, which is fun. Let's see. Anyways, there it is, right as I start talking. I just got this sleeping pad from Thermarest. I've never tried it, so we'll see if I end up liking it. And then sleeping bag. Hello. Josh was very nice and set up our tent, which this is the first time I'm going to be sleeping in this tent. I think Josh has slept in it once for hunting. We'll see if both of these fit in here. They might have to overlap because it's kind of narrow. How does this work? This is my sleeping bag. It's from Big Agnes. It's super cute. Josh got it for me for my birthday, I think. And it's just super comfy and soft. And then this is my pillow from Sea to Summit. It's kind of gross, don't look. It's a camping pillow. What do you expect? Josh made steak tacos for dinner and they're delicious.
Didn't skip a beat.
This is being kind of difficult, not gonna lie.
Let's walk over to the creek.
We're gonna wash, or at least rinse off the dishes. We're not just taking food when we are packing up and sleeping and everything. It's starting to get dark, and it's about 8 o'clock, which is really making it feel like summer. With it just starting to get dark later, it makes me so happy. It did?
Well, we just got the grease and the fat. It got so hard because
Oh, it got cold?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Let's do that.
We are about to crawl into the tent and get ready and go to bed. I'm definitely enjoying just hanging out with Josh and like camping before the season picks up, and I'm working all the time and not having the time to go camping because in the summer when we're working, I usually have like a weekday off and then Josh has the weekend off if he gets that. So it's just one of those things where just gotta really soak up the time and like take advantage of having free time together. Good morning. Just woke up and just put all my stuff away, and we're gonna probably head back to town soon. So yeah. This is the breakfast lineup this morning, just because we wanted something, well, I wanted something quick and easy because Josh doesn't really eat breakfast, but I'm hungry. And unfortunately, I'm addicted to coffee and just caffeine in general, so I have to have something. And this was just easier than bringing instant coffee and creamer and blah, 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 blah. And we don't have to like try and save water in order to make this because it's already made. These are the Bobo's apple pie stuffed oat bites. They're from Costco and they're really good. The weather says that it's 37 degrees right now, which is really hard to believe because it feels like summer. Like I'm not cold. It's very calm, no wind. Like the sun is starting to poke out. It's just gorgeous and it makes me really happy. And like I wish I could like describe the smell to you because it's just like ocean and seaweed and like forest. Like it just smells amazing. It's like this is like the smell that reminds me of home. It makes me feel very nostalgic. Like to the right or left?